And here we have a two-family complete renovation project. And in this apartment, we are installing Mannington Adura in this whole area. It's a kitchen, dining area. The project is started and underway. We're installing it. It's going to be run right through into these bedrooms, continue all the way through, and these back bedrooms. So this project is started and underway. We're looking at about 1,300 square feet of Adura at this time. So we are continuing with the project. And here we have the completed installation on the one side of this two-family renovation. Again, total of approximately 1,300 square feet of Adura in color number 051. Installed all through this kitchen area, bedrooms, all completed with appropriate transitions. Quarter round molding. So this completes this side of the two-family renovation. Then we continue over to the other side where we have some carpet runners installed. We have a runner in this entrance. Again, the Adura on the ground floor. We have this runner, this nice runner, running up to the second floor, where again we have the Adura installed in this whole dining kitchen area. And in the bedrooms, we installed a nice mohawk and a gray plush carpet in the bedrooms. Here we have it in the hallway. Nice transition vinyl edge. Another bedroom. And then we have up on the third floor, we have also a plush carpet installed. Little narrow staircase. But up on the third floor, we have this gray plush carpet installed. So this completes this complete renovation. Again, 1,300 square feet of Adura and around 75 square yards of carpeting throughout. So if you want to see additional videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery where you can see other installations of all other categories of flooring. And while you're there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.